Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by securing the essentials: microphone permission, stable network, and a charged device. Once done, open the bot console and pick the voice model that matches your tone. Make sure to run a quick microphone check at moderate volume so the bot hears you clearly. Then provide a short sample prompt to train pronunciation and intent. As you speak, watch the real-time transcriptions. They tell you whether the audio chain is working and whether the model understands your phrasing. Next, you map intents and feed the bot multiple example utterances for each one so it learns variations. Once mapped, adjust confidence thresholds to balance precision and recall, and configure fallback responses that ask clarifying questions. With this in place, tune voice synthesis parameters, slow the rate or raise pitch for clarity, add short pauses to improve comprehension. Make sure to test multi-turn dialogues. They expose context handling gaps and let you refine slot filling and error recovery. Finally, deploy the bot to a staging channel and monitor logs, latency, and success rate closely. You should collect real user transcripts and tag misclassified interactions so you can retrain intents each week. When problems occur, first check mic gain and ambient noise. Next, simplify or rephrase confusing intents. Finally, recalibrate confidence thresholds and fallback prompts. If audio drops or latency spikes, restart the service and test from another network. This process keeps performance steady and improves user trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.